are pleased to show you the 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.